If your child has a birthday coming up, you don't have to buy a cake, you can make your own.
And it's really cute. Jillian Lopez joins us with the recipe for a fun star candy cake. Check it out.
Yes, this cake is perfect for any kid's birthday, and I promise it's easy to make. Check out this recipe from Parents for how to make a star candy cake.
Here's how to make this fun and festive cake. You will need to have candy-colored melts in a bowl. Get your cutting board ready. And for this recipe, make sure you have your favorite vanilla cake already baked and frosted. Don't forget your rolling pin and star cookie cutters. You will then microwave the candy melts until they are soft. Then roll into a ball and flatten first with your hands, then follow that with the roller. Now it's time to use those cookie cutters. Press down on the melted candy to make your shapes and stick them right on the frosting. No other steps are required to get them to stick. Just add some candles and get ready to sing happy birthday.
Well, this star candy cake recipe is part of a larger list of recipes for kids' birthday cakes, so if you want to take a look at that full list, just head over to Parents.com. Parents is owned by the same company that owns this TV station, the Meredith Corporation.